If you've ever wanted to create a beautiful, sale-ready digital planner in Canva, one you can keep for yourself or list on Etsy, Shopify, and Gumroad, you're in the right spot. We'll design a stylish cover page, map out monthly goals page to keep users focused, create a monthly overview page for scheduling, build a monthly vision board to spark inspiration. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. From the options, choose A4 size since it works perfectly for digital planners. Now, Canva has tons of ready-made templates. You can just type digital planner or planners in the search bar and you'll see a lot of designs to choose from. But in this tutorial, we're going to start completely from scratch. For the cover page, let's add a title and choose a bold, attractive font that will really stand out. You can play around with the font size. Next, let's set up the background. Go to Photos in the Canvas left menu and search for something light, minimal, and aesthetic. Use an image that feels calming and clean. Once that's done, adjust the photo so it fits nicely as a background. Let's move on to the monthly goals page. First, add a text box at the top and type in the month. For example, January. You can use a clean, bold font so it stands out as the header. Next, let's add a text box with the prompt. What are you looking for this month? This gives space for users to set their main intention. Right below that, insert a few horizontal lines where they can write down their answers. After that, create a goal section. Add a heading that says Goals for Myself. Now add a smaller section titled Top 3 Priorities. This helps narrow down the most important things to focus on each month. Below that, create another section called Feelings I Want to Embrace with this month. And finally, add one more text box titled What I Want to Learn More. Let's move on creating the monthly overview. At the very top, add a month again, for example, January 2026. Next, we're going to set up the table layout for the weeks. Create a simple grid with week 1 to week 6 across the top. And on the left side, add the days of the week, Monday through Sunday. Right below the table, add sections called Top Priorities. Then, add another section called Focus of the Month. This gives a clear reminder of main theme or goal to stay aligned with. After that, create a to-do list area. You can use bullet points or small checkboxes to make it look interactive and organized. Include the section titled Notes and Ideas. Leave plenty of space so users can jot down anything extra. Next, let's create the monthly vision board page. Start by adding a simple title at the top. Now let's build the sections. First, create a box and label it Well-being. This will be the space where users can write or even paste images that represent their health. Simply duplicate it. Then go through each duplicated box and change the title to represent different areas of life. And that's it. We've already prepared a ready-made digital planner that you can easily download. Just head over to our website, plrdoc.com. I'll put also the link on the description below.